sketch the following equation and state the components. So they give us a log function. Now remember, logs are inverses of exponential functions, and to determine whether it's growing or going down, I look at the value of b, the base. In this case it's 1/3. Since it's less than 1, I know it's going to be decreasing, so it's going to be something like this, and in this case my asymptote will be a vertical asymptote. And I'm just going to make a quick table. I'm plugging values for x and y. Remember, you can plug in any values, but in this case we're not able to use a calculator for this problem. So therefore I'm not plugging in 1, because I know the log base 1/3 to the 1/3 of 1. So 1/3 to what exponent gives me 1 will be 0. So if I plug in 1, it gives me 0. The next number, you can plug in any number that you want, but the next number that I'm going to plug in is a 1/3, the base. Because I know that the log base 1/3 of 1/3 is equal to 1. Because 1/3 to the first power gives me 1/3. So if I plug in 1/3, divide this in 3 sections, and take 1, that's 1/3, it gives me positive 1. And that is my graph. My asymptote is a vertical asymptote. Now, let's go through the components. My domain are my x values. So if I'm walking on the line, at what point do I start seeing a graph? I start seeing it at 0. So from 0 all the way to positive infinity, because that graph continues. Your range are your y values. At what point do I start seeing a graph? If I walk over here, do I see a graph? Yes, your graph will be way over there, but there's still the graph. The graph continues going down slowly, but continues going down. So therefore, it will be from negative infinity to positive infinity, or all real numbers. Your asymptote. Your asymptote is a vertical line. Now remember, x and y, very happy. If it's a vertical line, it will be x equal to a number. So where does it cross the x-axis? It crosses the x-axis at 0. So therefore the equation is x equal to 0. That is your asymptote. And that's it for this graph.